Welcome. In front of me is a LeEco Le S3, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM into the device. So before you get started, there is one thing that you will need, which is a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here, and they usually come provided in the box with the phone, so you can find it over there. And if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip. I know that this doesn't look like one, but it was at one point a paper clip. So just straighten it out and you can push the tray out using that. But because I have the actual tool for it, I'll use this. So the tray is located on the upper left side of the device right here, and there's a tiny little hole where you can just stick the tool in and push it in, and you will see that the tray just pops out. So you can see right here. So you want to grab it and just pull it out all the way, and there you'll have the option to put two different SIM cards. So both of them go with the cutout on the bottom right corner, like so. You want to just lay them flat with the actual logo of the card being on top and the electronic part being on the bottom, as you can see. And once you have it in there, laying flush, nice, you want to just slide it back in. Now hold it securely so they don't fall out. There's nothing really holding them in place. So hold them and then slide the tray back in and get it all the way till it just clicks in there. And you should see there's one of the SIM has a pin number, so I have to put it in, and you will see that both of them are working. So that's how you would insert it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.